Good evening, ma'am and sir. I am Marites Gascon. I am 47 years old. I am married. I have two kids, one boy and one daughter. I have my work experience in abroad. I work in Saudi Arabia for almost 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of the elderly person. And also I work in Qatar for almost 2 years. I'm taking care of the 8-month-old baby girl. And also, I'm work in Kuwait for almost 4 years. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and cleaning. And also, I have my work in Philippines. And also, I'm taking care of the three kids. My both employer is doctor. To all my employer in Hong Kong, please choose me because I am a hardworking and I do my best. Thank you and God bless you.